Hey guys, been working on the shed, so let's take a look at how I've fortified the shed to make it stronger and a little more flexible inside. Let's take a look. All right, so let's just take a look at the shed. This is what I built. It's an 8x6 patio well metal shed, probably the cheapest thing you can get to have a storage building. And you know, it was functional. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so that's what I started with. So let's take a look at the upgrades that I did to it. All right, so looking inside, you can see I framed out the whole, let me zoom out here, framed out the whole thing. Every wall is framed out. These are just 1x3s. Didn't want to get 2x4s, just save some space. Plus the 1x3s fit right underneath the aluminum frame for the top and the bottom, actually. And then just use these connectors that you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot. And created the walls, put them up, put the back wall up first, then butted the side walls up, and then connected all the walls with these L bracket things. So everything's connected. And right now I am on the outside connecting the panels to the framing. So you can see the these are just sheet metal roofing nails, or screws, sorry. And they have a rubber washer on there that expands when you tighten it down to keep it from leaking. So I'm going around. I've done the top all the way around. You can see them on here. And you know, it's working out real good. And I'm going to put one across the center and one at the bottom all the way around. And then it is one solid unit. It's connected to the base foundation that I built, the frames connected together, and then the shed is connected to the frame. So for a metal shed, this is about as good as you're going to get, but a lot of screws obviously. So but I'm happy with it. So now I can put shelves up, put some nails up to hang stuff or whatever I need to do. I think I'm going to put some shelves, little shelves, right inside the door here. I got some brackets, and I still got some wood that I can cut to fit to do whatever I want to do, and put gloves and, you know, things like that. Getting ready to fill this puppy up with all my stuff out of the garage and clean up the garage so we can park all the cars in there. These 1x3s are just standard. This isn't white pine or anything. It's just standard construction 1x3s. Look for some good boards. Get as straight as ones as you can. The connectors, you know, if you want to do it a different way, you can do it a different way. But pretty simple, and really makes a difference in the shed as far as sturdiness and being able to put shelves up, or, you know, hang your shovels and hand tools and stuff. All right, so let's take a look at inside here with the plywood panels that I had in my garage. So these are 2 feet by 4 feet panels of plywood. They had been in my garage for a long time. They got wet, as you can see on the inside edge there, but they've been in there so long they're quite dry now. And I need that so I can put some shelves up and just hang stuff off of. I can hang off the framing as well. But this is a solid surface to do larger things. I have the same stuff on this wall here, and you can see I got, you know, my weed eater and other things there, and I got my hand tools up against there on the regular framing. So this turned out pretty good, actually. And again, it's adding more structure to the shed, so I think it's going to work out really well. And that pretty much does it for the upgrades to the shed. And I want to thank everybody for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.